Today I'm going to show you the Walmart $39 tree. It's super simple to put together. You just slide the legs on. The parts are numbered. The bottom part's 1, the middle part's 2, the top part's 3. There's a cord in each of them that hooks up to the section below it. And the cord that goes to the wall is super short. So you may want to get a inexpensive 6-foot cord or something, unless of course you're going to have your tree right next to the wall. But for 39 bucks, it's not bad. It took a few minutes to put together, and it could still use some fluffing because it is pretty flat once you put it together. So far I've spent tops maybe 45 minutes with assembly and fluffing. But I think once we get all of our ornaments on there, if you're in need of a Christmas tree, this one works. Hope you like it. Again, $39 Walmart.